Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do November mid-month reading for the sign Scorpio water sign. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past Scorpio. Three of Pentacles, Four of Cups, Seven of Wands. Your recent past. Yeah, I think in recent past, for some there is no collaboration between you and your person. There is no partnership. One person putting a lot of effort in this connection than the other person. I think the one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is you, Scorpio. I think in recent past, your person maybe not accepted the cup of love which is offered by you. For some, you are not going to accept. You are not accepted the cup of love which is offered by your person. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest. So for some you are very defensive right now. Seven of Wands, because there is no equal give and take. You only put a lot of effort in this connection. So let's see what is going on your connection right now, then we will get more clarity. Ace of Wands, Nine of Wands, yes, Two of Cups. One person want new beginnings in this connection. Ace of Wands, Nine of Wands, but one person acting like guarded up. It could be you or your person. I think your person may be acting like guarded up, because Four of Cups with Nine of Wands, definitely they are not expressing their feelings even though they have feelings for you. Yeah, they are guarded up, but they love you because there is equal love between you and your person. Two of Cups is here. Definitely love is there, but someone not expressing feelings here. It could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa. So see, let's see some more. Six of Cups, High Priestess, Nine of Pentacles. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Six of Cups. For some who are in separation right now, definitely one person want reconciliation and new beginning. Definitely Ace of Wands with Six of Cups. Definitely new beginnings. One person want new beginning in this connection, but one person acting like they don't want this connection. But inner feeling is they have emotions for you. They have love for you. It could be you or your person. That definitely that person has love for another person who acting like I don't want this relationship. That type. And a High Priestess, definitely trust your intuition. One person follows intuition in this connection. Nine of Pentacles. I think one person stand by their power. I think it could be you or your person. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions. Then we will get more clarity. Your person current feelings towards you. Scorpio. Three of Pentacles. Six of Wands. Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, they want partnership with you. In past, I think your person not offer equal give and take, but now your person want to offer equal give and take. Three of Pentacles means partnership, collaboration. Definitely they want success with you. At Six of Wands, definitely they want this relationship. They want this new beginnings. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, definitely your person want to take this relationship to next level. And Queen of Pentacles, definitely your person now want to share their love and emotions with you. So a lot of Pentacle energy is here. Earth energy. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's pull the near future actions towards you. Scorpio, your person near future actions towards you. Temperance, Princess of Cups, Seven of Swords. Ooh. Be careful, guys, because Seven of Swords is sneaky energy. I think your person maybe you are your person. I think you may be in some third party situation for some. For some, your person may be lying to you. Something, some negative energy, some sneaky energy is here. Seven of Swords. Uh, yeah, temperance, patience, and balance is needed in this connection. You or your person could be Sagittarius and Princess of Cups. They have emotions for you, but there is some sneaky energy. They are in and out of your connection. They maybe put you in third party, putting in your third party. Seven of Swords. Definitely be careful giving another chance to this person, because it's finally at end of the day it's your decision to give another chance or not. But I am seeing some sneaky energy here, so before taking any decision be careful. But your person wants second chance, so be careful, because here Seven of Swords is sneaky energy. I don't know why I am getting same message again and again. Definitely there is some sneaky energies here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Ten of Swords, Page of Pentacles, the Fool, Knight of Swords. Yeah, Knight of Swords energy is communication. I think they are in and out your life. Be careful, if they are in and out your life, they are manipulating. Please don't give another chance. And Ten of Swords, some cycles are going to be end between both of you. For some, your connection is going to be end very few, because Ten of Swords with Seven of Swords, definitely you caught your person while cheating on you, lied to you. Definitely there is some, but some communication. Page of Pentacles, they want to send some messages to you. And the Fool, definitely they want new beginning with you. Knight of Swords, they are rushing towards you, but it's up to you, because you, I think a High Priestess and Nine of Pentacles is you. Scorpio, you stand by your power. You are listening to intuition. You are listening to higher self. Please listen to that. And because intuition never goes wrong. If you are not in any third party situation, there are general differences between both of you. It is okay to give another chance to your person. But if it is any third party situation, or your person always telling lies to you, in that case you have to consider your decision again to. But for some, there are new beginnings. If there are if there is no any third party, for some there is definitely there is a chance for new beginning in this connection. But your person wants second chance. Definitely your person wants second chance. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Scorpio. Six of Swords, Five of Swords, yeah, Queen of Wands. Definitely there are some disagreements between you and your person, some fighting between you and your person. You and your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign also, but you stand by your power. At the end of the day, definitely you stand by your power. And Six of Swords, definitely this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries and different states. And I think you decided to move towards calm water. For some, you decide to leave this person and continue in your life. For some, those who are not in third party, definitely there is some reconciliation. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Justice, Nine of Cups, yeah, Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, definitely they are wishing for this connection, and they want second chance. Justice, you or your person could be Libra. Definitely your person wants second chance. So it's up to you to give. They are wishing for this connection. I think for some, you are also giving the second chance to this person, because their wishes are going to be granted. If there is no third party, it is okay. Wheel of Fortune, definitely things are turning in their favor. The Sun, wow. So it's up to you, Scorpio, to give second chance or not. For some, there is reconciliation, new beginnings. Very few there is endings. So you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for the support. Bye.